Hey there, friends, and welcome to my channel where we talk about all things Kajabi, marketing, and growing your online business. My name is Rebecca Austin, and today we are continuing with our Grow Your List series to help you get more leads and make more sales. If you missed the first video in the series, I invite you to check it out with the link above. Or we also conveniently added a description. There's a link in the description with this video. If you're new to the online business world, and even if you've launched a few times, chances are you're trying to figure out how to grow your lead list and build some business growth momentum. It's an exciting journey, but it's also one filled with challenges and, let's be honest, a few mistakes along the way. So that you don't fall into the trap of these common mistakes, today I'll be sharing some of those mistakes that I often see entrepreneurs make. Mistakes that could be stalling your growth. And more importantly, I'll give you some tips on how to avoid them so you can start seeing real progress in your business. Are you ready? Okay. Have you guessed on what the biggest mistake is? Mistake number one is trying to do too much all at once. I have been very much one who has fallen into that trap way too many times. As online entrepreneurs, so often we are idea people, and it's really easy to come up with lots of different ways that we can do things, or different products, or different programs, or different ways that we can market. But what happens then is that we don't have focus. And this is probably the most common mistake I see, and it's one that can lead to burnout, frustration, and a lot of wasted effort. As a new entrepreneur, it's easy to get caught up in all the different strategies and tactics out there. Social media, there's blogging, email marketing, paid ads. It's overwhelming, right? The problem is when you try to do everything at once, you end up spreading yourself too thin and nothing gets the attention it needs to truly succeed. So here's what you need to do instead. Focus. Choose one or two key strategies that align with your strengths and your business goals and go deep with just those couple strategies. Master them before you move on to the next big thing. This is how you build momentum and start seeing results. Now, another common mistake I see is entrepreneurs not knowing their ideal customer. You can't market effectively if you don't know who you're talking to. Understanding your ideal customer, their needs, their pain points, and where they hang out online is crucial for crafting messages and offers that resonate. In fact, this is so important that I'll be diving deep into this topic in the next video in our Grow Your List series. But for now, just know that without a clear understanding of who your ideal customer is, your marketing efforts are likely to fall flat. Now, I don't want to overwhelm you with too much information in one go, so I'm going to stop here. But these are just two of the top mistakes new entrepreneurs make, and there's so much more to cover. But as a summary, the two big ones are lack of focus. You're trying to do too much and spread yourself too thin without specific key strategies in a few core important areas and not really identifying your key target audience. Now, if you found this helpful and want to learn more about avoiding these common pitfalls and setting your business up for success, I invite you to subscribe to our Grow Your List newsletter series. In this complimentary series, we take a deep dive into all the core strategies of effective list growing, and not just any old list either. We're going to show you how to create a list of raving fans who don't just follow you, but instead create an asset for your business of people who are engaged and convert. We'll give you actionable strategies and tools you can start implementing right away to grow your email list and build a thriving online business. I know you don't want to miss any of this amazing series, so be sure to subscribe and hit that notification icon so you'll know when we add the next video in the series. And if you'd like to go even deeper, click the special invitation link in the description below this video to access the full newsletter series. and we conveniently send that to your inbox each week. I promise we're not going to inundate you with emails. We only send high value information that we feel will really help you grow your business. Be sure to tune in next time when we dive into how to get even more focused results by identifying core factors of your ideal client so you can quickly and easily attract the right audience. Until then, have an amazing week. And remember, there are so many people who need the answers and solutions you provide. So don't give up on yourself. You just need to have the right strategies in place so they can find you and so that you can continue to grow your business. I'll see you on the next episode.